Well, now we're going to have a look at one of my favorite topics, and that's a biometric input. So in the previous video, I did mention biometrics, and I said we'd get onto it, and here we are. So biometric input. First of all, the main question is, what are biometrics? Well, biometrics, in a nutshell, biometrics are biological measurements or physical features used in the identification of individuals. That means it is the features that are measured that are unique to an individual. Features that are measured which are unique to an individual. So what is unique to you? And I'm not talking about like, oh, my personality, and no. I'm talking about actual physical features, okay, that we can physically measure and use that for something. So here we have the human body, all right, most of it. Let's move on. And we can see that we are going to have certain features of this body that are unique to each and every one of us. We have the retina, okay, that is in the eyeball. All right, we have voice recognition. We have facial recognition and very, very powerful and reliable fingerprint scanning as well. So here are 4 areas of the human body that are actually unique and can be measured by technology. So then, what is the purpose of biometrics? Why do we need it? What do we use it for? If we're going to measure these things, these fingerprints and the eyeballs and nose hairs and who knows what else, if we're going to measure these things, what is the purpose? Well, the main purpose is security and protection. That is the main purpose, security and protection. It means that we can secure things, we can protect things using biometrics. That means that when we authenticate something, when we give someone access to something, because of biometrics, it's valid authentication. It means that that person's fingerprint is the only person who can unlock that device or access a particular device because they're the only one who has that fingerprint. Okay, think about it. So let's have a look. Those are the various areas just to make sure. We have retinal scanning, we have voice recognition, facial recognition, and fingerprint scanning. So it's important to remember this, guys. It's the physical features of the human body that are unique that we can measure that make up biometrics. So that means we have this thing called MFA. Now, I want you to think for like 2 seconds what MFA might stand for in the context of what we've just discussed. There were 2 seconds, sort of. MFA means multi-factor authentication. Fingerprint, face, voice, eye. So you'll actually find like some of the newer phones these days, I mean, they'll unlock by you just looking at it. That's facial recognition. Computers can be unlocked with voice or facial recognition. Phones can be unlocked with your thumbprints. Do you see how this is already part of the technology that you are using? So I'm going to show you a video clip which demonstrates authentication based on biometric security. It's actually quite a serious video, so don't laugh. I don't know what he's scanning there. Okay, I just had to do that. I'm sorry. Hope you enjoyed that. That was an example of biometric scanning. Okay, unique physical features used for security and valid authentication. Good luck with that one. Try and get that picture out of your mind.